Have you ever struggled to pass arguments to a function in Python? It can be a bit tricky, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to learn how to convert all arguments into a dictionary in Python. I totally get it. Trying to manage multiple arguments can feel overwhelming, especially when you want to keep everything organized. You're not alone in this. Many Python developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I make my function return a dictionary containing all the arguments I provide? They want to convert their function, which takes multiple arguments, into a single dictionary. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? When you use a function with both positional and keyword arguments, it can be challenging to keep track of everything. But don't worry, we can simplify this process and make it work seamlessly. And stick around. I have a neat trick at the end that will make your Python coding even easier. To convert all arguments to a dictionary in Python, the user should start by defining the function with both positional and keyword arguments. This can be done using the asterisk and double asterisk syntax. Next, the user should create an empty dictionary to store the arguments. This dictionary will hold both the positional and keyword arguments. Now the user can loop through the positional arguments and add them to the dictionary. Each positional argument should be assigned a key based on its index. After that, the user should update the dictionary with the keyword arguments. This can be done easily using the update method. Finally, the user should return the completed dictionary from the function. This will provide a single dictionary containing all the arguments. Fun fact, did you know that Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python? So, if you ever feel stuck, just remember to keep it light and fun. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to use the locals function. This method captures all local variables within the function and returns them as a dictionary. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by a user suggests defining your function to create a dictionary from all arguments. They recommend using a dictionary comprehension to enumerate through the positional arguments and then updating that dictionary with the keyword arguments. Here's the neat trick I promised. You can easily extend this function to handle default values for your arguments. This can save you a lot of time and make your code cleaner. And there you have it. Now you can convert all your function arguments into a dictionary effortlessly. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more Python tips and don't miss our next video.